I want to do this, I want to do that, I want to accomplish this in my life, I want to accomplish that in my life, but I'm always struggling, always trying to do more and never getting what I want. This is the constant thing we think about, but the question we need to ask is not what I need to do more, rather, what is my belief system like? Hi everyone, I'm Madhvi, your complete lifestyle coach, and I'm here today to talk to you about your belief system. What is your belief system like? What do you believe in? What works for you? What does not work for you? Your belief system is something that has been there since your childhood, something that has been put into your mind. Certain things you believe, certain things you don't believe, and we run our life based on this. What are the things that you believe? If you believe that you need to struggle to get something in life, you will always keep struggling. If you believe you're not worth something and you are working towards it, it is hard and it is tough for you to get it. And even if you do get it, it won't last for long with you. So what we need to change is that belief system that is there inside. We need to shift it. We need to modify it. We need to make it into what we want in our life. What is it that you want? Become clear about that. And now do this activity which I did for myself. Write down what are those belief systems that are not serving you in your life, which are affecting you a lot, which are not helping you in any way. What are the thoughts that you get when you think about the things you want to achieve? Automatically, you will understand what your belief system is like. And once you get clear about the belief system, you see what is the opposite of that. Suppose you believe that you need to struggle to get everything. Then the opposite of that is I get everything that I want easily and smoothly. If you feel that I'm not worthy of something or I'm worthless, many people feel this, I'm worthless or I'm not good enough, then you need to start shifting that belief system to I am good enough, I am worth it, and I can get what I want. When we shift our belief system, we shift our life. When I did this activity for myself, there were many things in my life that were not working for me. And once I started using these belief system, the new belief system, I shifted my life completely. And you can also shift your life. Let me know in the comments below what you think about this video and what your belief system is. If you want to shift your belief system, you can always contact me, comment in the section below, and we can take it forward. If in case you are feeling that you want to learn more about this, contact me and we can get in touch about this. Follow me on Facebook, on Instagram, and on LinkedIn, Madhvi Lifestyle Coach. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Wait, I have something special for you. I'm coming up with brand new programs every time, and right now, the current program that is running is my Unconditional Self-Love. This workshop is transforming many people's lives, and it can transform your life also. And that's it from me, Madhvi, your complete lifestyle coach, signing off for now. Take care. Bye-bye.